Alright, y'all. Got my order from Budk. It's going to be part 1. Part 2 will be tomorrow's thing. Let me get that out of the way. Okay. So let me put part 2's over here. Huh. See what happens. Okay. Looks like I didn't get, unless I did, but I don't know if one of these. No. Anyway, I had ordered something from the sale, so, and that didn't come. That'll probably come tomorrow. But, part 1, let's sit down, do this. So, I decided to buy a buy one, get one. One to use, and one to collect. Which one is the better? Okay, yeah, this one. So, I got me, as you see, Master Barlow, American, and for collecting, General Lee, Master Barlow. So yeah. Yeah. This is BK3160 if you want to order it. This is BK5810. Now I need a Barlow for pump station. And I need to, wow. Well, you need a knife to open a knife. No, don't you? Huh. Oh, yeah. Of course, it's a Master Barlow. It's a huge sucker. Get this out because I'm going to be washing it and using it. Yep, it looks like it does have some oil on it. This is one is to use. I like the big Barlows, to be honest, because, you know, this is probably going into a kit. No idea? So, yeah. And this isn't. Go back in. I'm gonna wash this later. So yeah. Now you know this is gonna look like it's gonna be keep it between the dishes. It's gonna be this. So yeah. The other 2 items are not for. Are they supposed to be open like this? Huh. Does it tell me where these are made? Nope. Okay. Let me check something quick. Now I'm pretty sure it says have knife oil on it, so yeah. I'll wash it later because I'm about to eat. Yeah. But hey, that rubber band. Now I wanted to buy these because if I get one, because I'm like, you know what? I need a Barlow to use. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see if I'm missing the one thing. Yes, like I am. I bought it from the sale. Now, unless they put it in here, which I don't think they did. Nope. I'm gonna have to wait on that. But hey, it's whatever to me. Anywho, that's with that. You know, has a blurb that show you patriotism proudly. Yeah. Anyway, peace.